You ready, bird? It's a debut. The bird's new porch stand. We used to have something hanging from the ceiling. It was kind of like a screened-in porch slash bird room slash art room slash plant room slash who knows what else. But before, everything was hanging from things, and since this house is going on the market, things need to be not attached to walls and cleaned up and finished. So now we actually have a self-standing bird paradise created out of PVC and wood and combo. This is actually Bird's first time seeing it right now for the video. African gray parrots take a little bit to adapt to change. She's probably not digging her prior hanging stand not being there anymore. But this one is far more badass bird. I set it up in a way so those pieces of wood, when she chews them, what she loves doing, can be easily taken on and off with some bolts and wing nuts and all that kind of thing. You're just frozen, huh? A couple different hanging things in the back, which is pretty cool. Along with this little swing for her in general. Quick little rack for those crocs for food and water and seeds and all that kind of stuff. And one thing that is very cool, that is different, that was not here before, is this huge crock full of water to basically try to encourage her to do her bird baths and to let her have fun with that. Let her show off to all of her other bird friends that come up to her all the time with her bird feeder during the day. You don't know what to make of this, huh? You're like, what the fuck? Frozen. Ooh, fireworks. This is the rest of the artsy room, slash whatever you want to call it, like I was saying before. All the plants. Tanya's easel. And back to Bird. And hey, Bird, you want some ambiance? This is one of the cool parts of the porch. Relax. Stoner's paradise. Isn't that right, Bird? So we don't got the tunes going, do we? Do we? That's that.